United States is now preparing for a potentially dangerous new phase in the ongoing war with Iran as thousands of American Marines move towards West Asia. According to U.S. defense official, around 2,500 troops from the 31st Expeditionary Unit are being deployed to the region as tensions intensify across the strategically vital Strait of Hormuz. The narrow waterway carries roughly one-fifth of the world's oil supply, making it one of the most crucial energy corridors on the planet. Iranian forces have increasingly threatened shipping in the area by deploying small, fast boats that are capable of laying naval mines. The arrival of Marine unit gives the Pentagon new operational options. Marines can now launch rapid raids on island near the strait, escort commercial tankers, and deploy counter-drone systems to protect shipping lanes. These units are often described by military planners as America's rapid crisis response force because they can quickly land troops, aircraft, and vehicles from assault ships. The deployment is expected to include multiple warships and advanced aircrafts such as the F-35 Lightning II, as well as the transport aircraft like the Bell Boeing V-22. These platforms allow Marines to move quickly from sea to shore if operations are required. The move comes as US President Donald Trump has expanded military operations targeting Iranian infrastructure, including the recent strikes on the major oil export hub. However, the deployment also raises the risk of further escalation. Marine expeditionary units are designed for rapid strikes mission and landings, meaning they could potentially be used to seize strategic islands, destroy Iranian positions, or support maritime security operations in the Gulf. Strategists warn that the shifting such forces to the Middle East could leave gaps elsewhere. With one expeditionary unit already supporting operations in Venezuela and the 31st Marine Expeditionary Unit now moving towards West Asia, the United States may temporarily have fewer rapid response forces that are available for crisis in the Indo-Pacific region. For now, the deployment underscores Washington's determination to secure the Strait of Hormuz and prevent Iran from disrupting global oil flows as the war continues to intensify. Well, viewers, now the United States is preparing for a potentially dangerous new phase in the ongoing conflict with Iran involving Israel and US as thousands of American Marines move towards West Asia. US officials have mentioned that 2,500 troops from the 31st Marine Expeditionary Units are being deployed in the various regions as tensions intensify around the strategic Hormuz.